Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and this is my analysis for silver. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I started off on the daily time frame zoomed way out because I wanted to show everybody that I do think we are in a wave C. We are also at the 100% Fibonacci extension of the wave A projected out the bottom of the wave B. And then we also have a potential wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we're likely now in the wave 5. If we zoom back in on the daily time frame, we can also see that we likely have a wave 1 of wave 5, wave 2 of wave 5, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likely of wave 3. That means that we probably are very close to making a big wave 4 correction, about the same size as the wave 2, and then probably back up again for a wave 5, and then perhaps, if it really is a wave C, we potentially could get a really big turn. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely don't have any signs of this potentially being over yet. We definitely don't have a significant break of structure. And to me, it kind of looks like a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. I think that we potentially have a wave 4 going on the 1 hour time frame. It kind of looks to me like impulsive down, one, two, three waves up, impulsive down. I would keep an eye on these Fibonacci levels. This thing very likely could turn up one more time for like a wave 5 of wave 3 on the much higher time frame. So definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's very like almost overlapping, almost like an ending diagonal, which often happens at the end of a wave 5. In this case, potentially a wave 5 of wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.